Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: compatible version, mods off, and a backup save so you can revert if something breaks. Once done, position your character in a safe, low-traffic spot and press M or the controller menu button to open the interface. You need to identify the menu icon on the HUD and check any displayed cooldowns, fees, or restrictions so you know what options will actually be available to you. Once the menu is open, navigate categories with the arrow keys or joystick. Move deliberately to reveal submenus rather than skipping them. You will see actions such as spawn target, apply disguise, or begin a mission. Highlight an action and press enter, or to preview its effects. Make sure to use sliders to tweak duration and NPC aggression when those options exist, because small adjustments change difficulty and resource costs significantly during gameplay. To finalize, confirm your selected options and exit the menu. Then watch the HUD for active status icons and countdown timers so you can plan next moves. Before launching risky actions, make a quick save and ensure you have sufficient weapons, ammo, and health items because recovery options are limited mid-mission. If the menu freezes or options fail to apply, reload the last checkpoint or restart the game client. This usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.